So most businesses have furloughed their workforce, but not us at Caroo. We're ramping up. We've taken on some temporary staff, but I've had to make do with what I can get. Luckily, their salaries are 90% Haribo. Whew. Morning everyone. How'd you get in this morning?
Traffic was a nightmare.
How are you this morning?
Don't talk to me. I need a bruise first.
Right people, sales is a tough game. You've got to be bold. You've got to know your product inside and out. I'm not gonna lie, some of you might not make it. I sack about 9.5 out of every 10 salespeople. Do you think you've got what it takes?
Yeah!
Now, I don't like training my staff with theory. I much prefer them to learn on the job. So today, we're learning about how to get around the gatekeeper. And the way to do that is to trick them. Got it?
Can I speak to Mrs. Green? I'm coming from the National Lottery. She needs to speak to me to get her money. Hi, can I speak to John Smith? Who is it? It's his mum.
Not a bad effort, guys. Jordan Belfoot would be proud. The next lesson is building rapport. Do you all know what rapport is?
Yes. The use of relatable language to form a bond with the prospect you intend to sell to.
All right, smart ass. Let's get to it.
I need to see you. How's your week been? Nice weather, isn't it? Do what's in the night garden.
Okay, troops. Distinctly average, but I'll take what I can get. Now we have to learn to sell the features and benefits. Did you study them over the weekend like I told you to?
If you use Caroo, it's better because job boards are rubbish. No smelly recruiting agencies.
And finally, we've got to close. If you can't close, you can't make... You're not looking at... You have to look at me. If you can't close, you can't make money. And if you can't make money, I'll fire you. Got it?
Buy it or you're stupid. Oi, give me your money.
Well, that was a long day. You actually did all right.
Where's our commission? Where's our commission? Where's our commission?
You've only just started.
I am out of here. It's a joke.